Today's work of the construction team now begins. Let's go!
Kiki, help me! I'm in trouble.
What's happening?
There are so many gems underground, but we don't have the tools. The excavator can dig out all the gems.
Here is
Can
the
you help
gem.
us?
Let's start digging.
Woohoo! All the gems have been dug up. Thank you.
It is just a piece of cake. Construction team, mission accomplished. Bulldozer. Crane. Excavator. Bulldozer. Excavator. The cart is rusty. Let's fix it. It's a dirty tool head. Change it. Oh, there's a pile of dirt. We can't get through. Kids, with Bulldozer. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in. Excavator. What can I do for you, little bear? I want to build a new house, but I don't have a crane. Can you help me build a house with a crane? No problem, I'll take care of it. The crane is ready. Let's go! Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Crane! Use the joystick to drag the materials to build the house. Let's decorate the house! Let's decorate the house! Let's decorate the house! This house is so beautiful! Thank you for your help. I have a new house now. You're welcome. Construction team, mission accomplished. Bulldozer. Excavator. Crane. Bulldozer.
Move the red switch to raise the cutout.
Crane. Oh, there's a pile of dirt. We can't get through. Kid, excavator. Bulldozer. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in! Excavator. If the amusement park has a Ferris wheel, it would be better. Let's build a Ferris wheel together and level the ground. Now, dig a hole for the Ferris wheel. Now use the crane to build the Ferris wheel. Now use the crane to build the Ferris wheel. Wow! The Ferris wheel is done! It's beautiful! Bulldozer! Crane! The work of the construction team is all done! Let's